Here we have the new Black & Decker mower deck that goes on the weed whacker, and I think it's fair to say my wife is quite pleased with it. I am too. We have a riding mower, so all we really need this thing for is around the trees and easy access to things, and it really does snap on and off as easy as can be. I'm going to try the snap on, snap off. So basically, man, it snaps off this easy and becomes the regular weed whacker again, and then it snaps in just as easy as it comes off. Basically put it in there and maybe step there a little bit, snaps in, here you go, and it's good for it. This is the new Black & Decker mower deck to go on the weed whacker that we bought last summer, and gosh, covered a lot of grass here in a short amount of time. This thing works pretty well. We have a riding mower, so this is perfect for just a little bit of trimming that goes around, and I think my wife carried away with the dandelions. But surprising, it cuts through some pretty deep grass pretty fast. Not a replacement for a big yard or anything, but gosh, he's been right 20 feet by 20 feet already. Just a couple dandelions over there, babe. At this rate, I won't have to mow today.
My wife doesn't like dandelions.